All right, here it is. I installed everything except the fuel injector and the throttle body, which is supposed to be coming today or tomorrow. I mean, I couldn't wait that long because it took more than a week for it, so I just decided to put everything back together and make this video. The exhaust sounds real nice. Yeah, I extended this about 3 inches, so it makes it look a little more sportier, I guess. A little longer. Let's wrap this up. You can hear the mirror intake sucking in the air. But yeah, let's do the top speed for it now, and then we'll figure stuff out. All right, hang on. Guys, welcome back to part 2 of the Grom rebuild. So basically I've stripped all the plastic off already. It's just a couple of screw and a couple bolt, and then there's like one popper you need to pop from the front fender, which is right here. It pops right out. If you use like one of those Allen wrench, small Allen key, it just pops right out. But right now I'm gonna take the intake out. There's a bolt right here and one on the other side. Just need to unplug this like electrical connection right here, and we should go on from there. All right, let's begin. This one on top, this one on the bottom, just like so. All right, let's drain the oil now. It's a 17 millimeter. This oil is dark. There we go, right on the center, and there's a T right there. Let's remove the head. Alright, so here's the big bore kit I got for it. Got it from Corso North. So this is the 170cc cylinder. We're gonna go ahead and measure the rings first on it, and then we'll put our piston on, drop this on, and then we'll put the head on. Then that'll be it for the top end. All right, so this is our top ring. We're gonna measure the ring gap in here. Level it up with a piston. Oh yeah, that's good. So on this big board kit, the top ring is marked with the R right here, and then bottom ring is marked with the RN right here. Here's the top ring. It's marked with the R, and the bottom ring is marked with the RN. So here's the orientation of the ring right here. Here's the top, bottom, and then the two oil ring right there. So this side's the exhaust side right here, and then this side is the intake side right here. There we go, really good. Let's forget about this. Continuing on my Grom build, my son's just hanging out here with his car. He about to go off-road soon too, and I'm about to go on-road soon. Test the top speed for this Honda Grom right here. So now I have to install the intake, take the clutch cover off, and put a high flow oil pump in, and pretty much that's all about it. Alright, we're gonna jam to my son's music while we fix this Grom up. Let's do this. Don't forget to take the oil dipstick out, like I forgot, and it was kind of hard to take the cover off. Fill up the oil, conventional oil for the first start, and you know, just so it's not too slippery. I don't want like synthetic oil in there. After I run it, warm it up, run it a few times, and then I'll drain the oil, and then I put like semi-synthetic oil in it. But I'm gonna do the first start right now. Alright, I forgot to install the exhaust, so I'm gonna do that now. Alright guys, I'm gonna attempt the first start. It was dripping oil, so I had to retighten the head stud or the head bolt. And then I found out the throttle outer screw wasn't far in enough, so I had to give it a couple more turns to let it idle. So I fixed the problem just like that. Alright, so now I'm going to do a price breakdown of all the stuff I upgraded on this bike. So first of all, I need to add some note for the oil cooler right here. I replaced it. I changed it upside down. I found that to be better if you turn it upside down and have it installed. So that's what I did. And I went ahead and installed a throttle body on there with the fuel injector. So yeah, that wasn't on video, but yeah, I apologize for that. But it's on the bike now, so we're good to go there. Alright, so now I'm gonna do a price breakdown of all the upgrades I put on this bike right here. So starting first with the Yoshimura exhaust, it cost me about $575. Then head with the oversized valve cost me about $405. The camshaft for the bigger 170cc big bore kit was $100. 34mm throttle body was $199. High flow fuel injector was $135. Power 5 commander was $399. Oil cooler was $80. High flow oil pump was $50. Chimera intake was $160. Extended kit for the bike was $60. Low profile seat was $200. The fuel injector installation kit was $80. The exhaust gasket was $15, and I'm pretty sure I'm forgetting some other things that I put on this bike house, but that was all the stuff I ordered, give or take. So yeah, that was it. So if you guys want to do a big bore kit, you're looking around 2,000 to 3,000, maybe more on parts, just parts alone. So pretty much what I'm gonna do next for this bike is try to get a 4-valve head for it, to see how much faster it will go compared to the 2-valve head. So stay tuned for that video. It will be coming soon when I have some time. But yeah, as of for now, this is it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe.